Welcome, puppets! Tonight's gonna be a great night, and I'm your host, Mr. Horse.
Welcome, viewers, to tonight's news. We interrupt your regularly scheduled program to give you this breaking news. There's been an alien invasion in Cleveland, Ohio.
We now go live to Cleveland, Ohio with reporter Ben.
Ready. All right. My name is Ben, and I am in Cleveland, Ohio. Here we are interviewing 3 guys, and here's the first guy that we're going to be interviewing here.
Hello.
What's your name and your age?
My name's Jeff. I'm 4,556.
All right. Good age. Good age. And so we're going to start off with the first question here. How do you feel about these aliens in Cleveland?
I feel kind of scared, but prepared. I got a bunker, my tinfoil hat, and this alien detector here I bought off the black market.
Nice, dude. And second and last question is, what do you think the aliens are here for?
Maybe their world is starving. Maybe they want some breadsticks from Olive Garden.
All right. Yep. Thank you for your time, John.
My name's Jeff.
Oh yeah, Jeff. My bad. Anyways,
Get it right next time, bucko.
my bad. Anyways, we're gonna need the next interviewee.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. All right. What's your name and what's your age?
I am Chad and I'm 21.
All right, good age. Anyways, let's start off with the first question. How do you feel about the aliens in Cleveland?
Well, I feel beware because I know karate, so they better be ready.
All right, they know karate. I mean, he knows karate. Anyways, second and last question is, what do you think the aliens are here for?
Maybe they're here to invade our territory.
Yeah, I think so as well. Well, Chad, thank you for your time. All right, what's your name and what's your age?
My name is Zach, and I'm 18 years old.
Okay, Zach. First question we're gonna need you to answer is, how do you feel about these aliens?
I'm nervous, but as a community, I think we can overtake the aliens and bring them back home.
Yeah, I think so as well. Second question, why are they here?
I think that maybe their home is being overrun by another species, so maybe they're trying to find another place to live.
All right, yeah, Zach, thank you for your time.
You too.
Wow, thank you for the update, Ben. What's happening in Ohio is an alien invasion, but is what's happening in Ohio in the rest of the world?
We now go live to Pinellas in St. Petersburg, Florida to see what is happening over there. Followed by a word from our sponsors. We'll be back soon. Bye.
Hello, this is Tina Lena with PNN News, and you're here to know the Lena on today's news. And today, aliens are taking over, and the reason is doom! Alright, now get a shot of the aliens.
So, this is what people call Earth? Not as interesting as I thought. Yes, sir. This is Earth.
Well, Timmy, what are your plans?
To take over the world! Ha! Ha! Ha!
Are you okay?
No, not at all. I think I caught the alien flu.
And you, sir? Other king?
To take...
So basically the same thing.
Yes, about the same thing.
Okay. Well, there you have it, folks. All about the aliens and what they're going to do straight from the Alien Kings. And I'm Talina and St. Pete, and Tina is out. Alright, and back to the mains. Alright, that means cut a curl. Wait, what? That means cut a curl? Gosh. Sorry.
It's me, Old Geezer, with your brand new favorite product, hair regrow tubes. They regrow your hair 1% of the time, and it gave me my hair back. Yay!
Welcome back, viewers. Tina Tina Lena, I hope you stay safe. Don't let any more aliens chew on your hair.
Aliens are invading everywhere. New reports coming in from Australia and Ireland.
We now go live to reporter George in Australia, in Queensland, Australia.
I'm George, and I'm going to be asking this alien Bob some questions today. First of all, what planets do you use?
Planet?
Uh-huh.
I live in planet Unicorn. That's why my hair is rainbow.
Interesting. What material are your UFOs?
The UFOs are made out of tinfoil.
First of all, what is your planet's name? How do you use your UFOs? What sorts of resources do you use? Very interesting. Do you like to go into the stars? Which is your favorite? Do you have pets? Wow, very interesting. I only understood one quarter of what you said, but this is the news network. I would like to see you all tomorrow.
Hey y'all, it's me, Old Gazer, and today I'm gonna show you Sword Store. At Sword Store, you can buy all your swords to fight off these aliens so we can win. Yay! And with new added 2 bonuses: credit karma and a dog's favorite dog toy, the Skeleton dog toy. I mean, look at my dog. He loves it. No. Isn't this great? He's such a cutie. Yeah!
Good afternoon. This is PNN News. Today we are here in Dublin, Ireland with Blorp. We have Blorp. Blorp, where are you from? Thank you for the information. What has been your interactions with the aliens?
Where's my lunch?
Well, they chased me and they grabbed me and they got me
Do you know
sick.
where my lunch is?
How? Well, I was
Hey, do
getting
you know
too
where my
close
lunch is?
to them. Now,
Hey, do you know
this
where my
is how
lunch
I
is?
ended up.
Hey, do you know where my lunch is?
Okay, thank
Do
you.
you know where my lunch?
Bye-bye.
Hey, do you know where my lunch is?
Thank you, Bethany. Let's hope this is not happening all over the world.
This is the end, viewers. Even New York City and Tokyo have been invaded. Hide in a bunker if you can.
Now we go to Karina in Tokyo. Let's hope she's faring better than the rest of them.
Hi, my name is Karina and welcome to PNN. Right now I'm in Tokyo area 151 and we will see what's happening and what people's experience are.
Alright guys, we ready?
Yeah,
My cannon is loaded.
I'm ready to stretch my wings.
Can we go already?
Let's go!
Now I'm flying out.
I'm ready to take over Earth.
Oh, come on, let's just go already.
Yeah, give me a chance at breaking things.
Okay, that's a cut.
It's me, Old Gazer, and today I have a special treat for you. If you pay 10 easy payments of $10,000, get to stay in my bunker. Ain't that great? And if you pay $10 every day for as long as you stay, you get free food and you get to pet my dog, even though he'll probably eat you alive on your second day. Yay!
Hi, what's your name and what's your experience? What? Hi, what's your name and what's your experience? What? Oh, okay. Everything is good and I'm Laura. Good? They will kill you. I don't believe the aliens will hurt us. You don't know if they will or will not hurt us though. Yeah. Do I have one with me right now? Oh my.
You kidnapped the baby! Ah! Get over here! economic building that belonged to the city. I was stopping the aliens. Ah!
I don't think this is part of.
I will keep.
Ooh, fireworks. Bleh.
Hey, y'all. The old geezer.
Ugh. Get out of here, stupid tissue. Oh, I finally found it. The camera. Ugh. Huh. Is the camera? Yes, I found it. Man, I dropped it. Wait, I'm stuck. How do I get out? How do I get out? I guess I'll have to wait here.
So which one of you guys is king?
Why, that's me, Evil Timmy.
No, that's me.
No, me.